Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're diving into an essential accessory for your ScanSnap iX1500 scanner, the CJP-Geek AC-DC adapter. This isn't just any power supply. It's specifically engineered to keep your high-performance scanner running smoothly and safely. First off, this CJP-Geek adapter boasts impressive power input versatility. It's designed to handle a wide range of voltages, from 110 to 240 V AC. This means whether you're at home, in the office, or even traveling internationally, this adapter is ready to power your ScanSnap iX1500 without a hitch, making it a truly global companion for your device. Convenience is a major plus, thanks to its generous 4-foot cable length. No more struggling with short cords or worrying about the distance between your scanner and the nearest power outlet. This ample slack allows for flexible placement of your ScanSnap iX1500, whether on a desk or a shelf. Plus, its wall mount design helps keep your workspace tidy. What truly sets this adapter apart is its unwavering commitment to safety. The CJP-Geek adapter proudly carries the CE certificate, signifying its adherence to rigorous European safety standards. Beyond certification, it's built with multiple layers of protection to safeguard both your scanner and your peace of mind. This includes short-circuit protection, overcurrent protection, overvoltage protection, and overload protection. These comprehensive features collectively make it an incredibly safe choice for powering your valuable ScanSnap iX1500, preventing potential damage from electrical issues. The brand CJP-Geek also backs its product with a robust 2-year warranty. This isn't just a standard guarantee, it comes with a hassle-free replacement policy. Should the adapter develop a defect within 2 years of use, the company promises to replace it with a new one, and you won't even need to return the defective unit. This level of customer support speaks volumes about their confidence in the product's quality and durability, offering users significant reassurance and peace of mind. While the product listing mentions broader compatibility, its primary and most critical application, as highlighted in its name, is for the ScanSnap iX1500 scanner, specifically the 600 dpi optical PA03770B005 model. This dedicated compatibility ensures optimal performance and precise power delivery tailored exactly for your scanner's needs. In summary, for anyone seeking a reliable, safe, and convenient power solution for their ScanSnap iX1500, the CJP-Geek AC-DC adapter stands out as an excellent choice. Its global voltage compatibility, practical cable length, comprehensive safety features, and outstanding warranty make it a smart investment to keep your scanner powered efficiently and securely for years to come.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.